Hello. Hello. What's up? My hair is a disaster. One thing I want to say is F you, Mother Nature. We have had 2 snow days in a row. There's no snow on the ground. I mean, I'm not complaining because you get to miss school, but then I'm also complaining because today, you don't know how many times I've tried to film this video and my dog is over there whining because there's a storm outside and she's terrified. Baby girl, what do you want? Think she's fine. Do you want to come up here? Want to come up in the video? Yeah? You want to say hi to people? Say hi. Hello. You gonna be okay? Mwah. So yeah, there's just been like this huge hailstorm. Oh, look at that hair. Look at that hair right there. That is so attractive. But we've been having this huge hailstorm. Oh, you tired? Oh, is that baby girl tired? Oh. You want to be closer to the camera, do ya? Your butt is in the way. I guess you don't care. That's cool. So yeah, we haven't been able, today was a spirit day at school, and I was supposed to dress up in a toga. But I can't now. I was excited for it. Angel, show the world how cute you are. Do your little dance. Do. Angel. Angel. Oh, stinky breath. Stinky breath, Angel. Gotta brush them teeth. But yeah, majority of this video is me talking to my dog. But isn't she just a cute-ass? Dog, you're so cute. Oh, no, don't give me kisses. Oh, the kisses. I've got a question for you. Do any of you have Ask FM? If you've got, doggy butt. If you have Ask FM, I made a actual account that I'm using now on it, and I will have it down below. So if you ever want to ask me questions, you can just go there and shoot me some questions because it's entertaining answering questions. Right now, it's very bad lighting because I'm right in front of my back door window. I just wanted to show you what a snow day is like. See that? Where's the snow? Where's the snow? There is none. So, this is our snow day. You'd expect in Canada that snow days meant good feet, 2 feet, 3 feet of snow. Nope. Give us a snow day when there's ice on the floor. Good going, Mother Nature. Good going. Wow, the lighting sucks. I'm going to make a video every week, and I need your guys' help on ideas. So, it'd be ever so kindly if you left a comment down below on what I should do in videos. So each week I'll do one of the ideas because I don't know what to do, and so I'm stuck making these silly videos and they probably bore you to death. And I don't want to be boring. So leave me ideas and I will do them. Please. And thank you if you do leave one. Yeah. But for now, I'm going to go. See you the next time I make a video. Bye!
It's a boy you never told I like you. It's a girl you let get away. It's the one you saw that day on a train, but you freaked out and walked away. It's the plane you wanna catch to Vegas. Things you swear you'll do before you die.